Alright, we're going to put a little bit of olive oil on it. Alright, rub that down with olive oil. We're going to put a little bit of granulated garlic on it. Make sure that's in good. Black pepper, and good amount, because it's a big piece of meat. Build a nice crust on it. Then we add some salt. Make sure that's on good. Then we're going to turn it over and do the same thing to the other side. Olive oil. Rub it in. Pepper. And this is coarse ground black pepper. Granulated garlic. Good amount. And salt. Put that in. Now we're going to get the grill ready. And this is going to sit. We want this to sit for about a half hour. So it comes up to temp, so it cooks evenly. Grill. Indirect heat. Right there. Yeah. Ready to go. In this case, I know who I'm cooking for, so they want it to be more on the medium side, so we're going to shoot for a temp of 135. Alright, now we're going to put the thermometer in here, in the thickest part. See, I think I'm going to come off the back side here. Right there, like that. Okay. Get this going. Alright, the sun went down, but they go a little night vision on you. And now we're going to sear this 2 minutes. Then we're going to turn it, and then we're going to flip it. Well, 2 minutes, turn it, 2 minutes, and then flip it. Okay, I got to give this another little twist. And 2 more minutes. Alright, then we're going to flip it over. Go. That's flipped over. 2 minutes. Alright, it is done. And it is ready. But before we cut into it, we want to let it rest for about 10 minutes, and then we'll slice into it. See you in 10 minutes. All right, so we let this rest it, and we're gonna cut into it. But actually, before I do this, hold on a minute. All right, so let's cut into it. Let's cut this. Let's cut it off the bone. It's nice and juicy. Yeah, look at it, almost fall off the bone. That's good. We don't really need this anymore, but I'm gonna know on that. You can believe that. And what we're gonna do is take some cuts off. Look at that. Look at that. Look, can you see that? That is nice. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna keep cutting through it. And we're gonna eat all of this. Me and the peanut gallery, we gonna have at it. Oh yeah. I got some herb butter waiting on this. Oh, you can believe this is gonna be nice. Let me set up a plate and get that herb butter. Let's get that herb butter on it. A few medallions. of herb butter. Oh yeah. Let that melt right on it. Delicious. So if you ever get a chance to try this, you have to. Yeah, it's a bit pricey, so make it a special occasion dish. You'll love it. This is Shrashira, and I'm out.